Hey, imagine this, it's 2030. You dial emergency services and within minutes a sleek drone swoops down, instantly analyzing your vitals with onboard AI. No more frantic guessing, no more waiting for backup. Arrive equipped with data, speed, tech that would make today's gadgets look ancient. Let's talk about today's challenges. Right now, paramedics race against the clock, often with limited info and outdated tools. The golden hour is precious, but real-time updates? Not always. Sometimes the delay in getting the right data can mean everything. But what if I told you by 2030 that all changes? Picture this. Paramedics wearing uniforms laced with mini biosensors. These constantly monitor their own vitals and scan patients as soon as they arrive on scene. AI-powered tablets instantly suggest diagnoses, pulling from millions of cases and live data. I mean, imagine a smart bandage that not only stops bleeding but tells you if an infection's brewing before you even see redness. That's not sci-fi, that's next-gen care. Now think about drones. Not just for Amazon packages, but delivering blood, meds, or even an AED to someone in cardiac arrest before a paramedic even arrives. Autonomous vehicles brimming with life support tech can be stationed right where they're needed most, ready to leap into action. Drones could even fly in antidotes to a chemical spill, buying precious minutes for first responders. And here's where it gets wild. Augmented reality. Glasses that let paramedics see internal injuries, overlay patient histories, or get real-time guidance from top specialists halfway across the world. Teleparamedicine means if someone needs a rare, complex procedure, the world's best experts are basically in the ambulance with you, guiding every step. But all this tech, it's not about replacing paramedics, it's about empowering them. Routine tasks become automated, freeing up responders to focus on critical thinking, split-second decisions, and the human touch that no robot can replicate. The future of emergency medicine is closer than you think, and it's going to save more lives, faster, and smarter than ever before. Are you ready for it?